This video is going to cover word problems, page 109, number 2, and number 6. So number 2 says that you have some point xy, and it is on the graph of y equals x squared minus 8. You want to express the distance, d, from P to the point 0, negative 1. So I want to go from P to the point 0, negative 1 as a function of x. Okay, so we're talking about distance. So the first thing I'm going to do is review the distance formula. The distance formula is the square root of x2 minus x1 quantity squared plus the quantity y2 minus y1 squared. So there's your distance formula. Well, this is great. I need 2 points. Yeah, I need an x1, y1, and I need an x2, y2. Well, I have a point. The point that was given to me is 0, negative 1. Fantastic. There's a point. x2, y2, x1, y1, who cares? What am I going to do with this weird x squared minus 8? Well, guess what? If the point is x comma y, don't I know y? Y is x squared minus 8. So my point is now x comma x squared minus 8. Just took out y and put x squared minus 8 in. I'm going to use this as my x2, y2. And now it is a plug and chug. So the distance, and I'm actually going to plug these in quote unquote backwards. I don't want to do 0 minus x. Let's do x minus 0 instead. So let's do x minus 0 squared. Doesn't matter. I just like keeping it positive. Plus x squared minus 8 minus negative 1 squared. FOIL, etc. And you get the square root of x squared plus, this is negative 8 plus 1, which last time I checked is negative 7. And then I'm going to square that whole thing. So this is x squared minus 7. So this is FOILed out is going to be x to the 4th plus 2x squared. No, sorry, I lied. Minus 14x squared minus 14x squared plus 49, and then the plus x squared. This is now the square root of x to the 4th minus 13x squared plus 49. When you FOIL x squared minus 7 quantity squared, you get x to the 4th minus 14x squared plus 49. It's from here to here. And then you had that x squared to begin with. So that's where I got this x squared from right here. All right, that was part A. Part B says, what is the distance if x is 0? So we're going to just plug in 0. Zero to the 4th minus 13 times 0 squared plus 49 is square root of 49, which is 7. And part C asks you to find the distance if x is negative 1. And that's going to be 1 minus 13 plus 49, which is the square root of 37. Oops, oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry about that. I plugged in -1. Kind of got caught up in the math. Okay, number 6. So I will pause the video for you here. Go ahead and draw number 6. Okay. They tell you that you have the function 9 minus x squared, so the vertex is at 0, 9. The x-intercepts are -3, 0, and 3, 0. My graph isn't great. It says a right triangle has a vertex on the graph of 9 minus x squared. So doesn't matter, it's on the graph somewhere, x, y. And it says in the first quadrant. So this is your picture. All right, I'm not going to use x, y. I'm going to use x 9 minus x squared. And they want you to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so the area of the triangle, I'm going to put a little triangle there, is 1/2 base times height. Well, I don't know the base of this triangle. It's some x-intercept between here and 3. It doesn't matter. Is it at 1? Is it at 2? Is it at 2.73? I don't know. It's at x. It's going to be 1/2 x. And the height is y. The height is y, but I know y. Y is 9 minus x squared. So this is 1/2 times the quantity 9x minus x cubed. Or sometimes we write it as one big fraction, 9x minus x cubed over 2. Any of those are okay, but you should use notation here. The area as a function of x. So either one of these, doesn't really matter. Which one's better, doesn't matter. And that is problem number 2 and number 6.